Gwalior witnesses chaos during a Bollywood night concert by famous singer Kailash Kher. While he was performing, a section of the crowd became uncontrollable and started jumping barricades to move closer to the stage. Some people even tried to reach the stage, creating a risky situation for the artist and his team. Kailash Kher stopped singing midway and warned the audience through the microphone. He said people should not come near the equipment and threatened to end the show. Expressing anger, he said the behavior was irresponsible. Police later intervened and controlled the situation so that event could continue safely. A grand agriculture and horticulture technology exhibition began in Bhopal, attracting farmers and experts from across the region. The 10th International Agriculture and Horticulture Technology Fair was inaugurated at the Central Institute of Agricultural Engineering. BJP State President Hemant Khandelwal and Cabinet Minister Vishwas Sarang opened the event and addressed farmers. Leaders said such exhibition help promote modern farming methods, innovation and technology. Experts shared ideas on advanced machinery, irrigation and crop management. Many farmers showed interest in learning new techniques to increase production and income. The event aims to connect science with farming at the grassroots level. The Congress Party has announced a major statewide campaign in Madhya Pradesh accusing the ruling government of large-scale vote theft. PCC Chief Jeetu Patwari and State in charge Harish Chaudhary addressed a press conference in Bhopal. Patwari claimed that nearly 51 lakhs fake voters exist in the state and alleged that the previous election was manipulated. To counter this, Congress will start the Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan from January 1st to February 15, 2026. The campaign will focus on strengthening the organization and connecting with the public. Congress also demanded a fresh investigation into alleged fake voting. The Madhya Pradesh government has announced plans to establish a Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Simulatory Space Center in Bhopal. The proposal is being sent to the central government under the Prime Minister Jan Vikas Karyakram. Minister of State Krishna Gaur said the center will help connect youth with science, national security and nation building. The facility will promote interest in space technology and scientific thinking among students. It is expected to offer simulation-based learning and interactive experience. The initiative aims to inspire young minds and prepare them for future careers in science and technology. The controversy involving former Minister Deepak Joshi continues to intensify. Pallavi Raj Saxena, who claims to be his wife, released a new video from an Arya Samaj temple in Bhopal. She said her marriage is legally valid and supported by the institution. Pallavi stated that the temple is a recognized legal body and will defend the marriage in court if needed. She also revealed that her last conversation with Deepak Joshi was on the 20th via conference call. Since then, she has not been able to contact him and demanded that he be brought forward. In Dindori, District Collector Anju Pawan Bhadoria conducted a surprise inspection of the district hospital along with the SDM. During the visit, several duty doctors including the civil surgeon were found absent. The collector ordered show cause notices for the absent doctors. She personally called the civil surgeon to the hospital and reprimanded him for giving false information. Collector said apologies were not enough and warned against neglecting poor patient. She strongly criticized doctors who remained absent and focused on private practice, stressing accountability in government hospitals and better care for patients. Khajuraho Airport has achieved the top rank among all airports in India, according to the 2025 Customer Satisfaction Survey released by the Airport Authority of India. Khajuraho secured first position based on passenger feedback. Travelers gave the airport the highest scores for cleanliness, facilities and staff behavior. The airport efficient services and courteous staff impressed passengers. Officials said this achievement reflects consistent effort to improve traveler experience. The ranking has brought pride to Madhya Pradesh and is expected to boost tourism in the Khajuraho region, which is already famous for its World Heritage temples. A major environmental controversy has emerged after trees were cut on the Ayodhya bypass even before an official order from the National Green Tribunal. The National Highway Authority of India, through the Municipal Corporation, reportedly cut nearly half the trees along the bypass. Environmental activists alleged that the cutting was done hastily day and night without waiting for legal clearance. They have announced plan for a large protest to save the remaining trees. Activists are demanding FIR against those responsible for the illegal cutting. The issue has raised serious concern about environmental protection and governance. Madhya Pradesh is witnessing mixed weather condition across the state. Nights remain cold in many districts while daytime temperatures are slowly rising. Cities like Bhopal, Indore, Gwalior and Jabalpur are experiencing chilly morning with light fog in some areas. The meteorological department said no major rainfall is expected in the next few days. Nether winds are keeping the weather dry and cool. Farmers have been advised to protect crops from the cold nights. Overall, the weather will stay stable with clear sky and gradual warming during the day.